Let's get started. This might look difficult, but it's not. You're going to be going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, almost finishing to the lady, and holding both of her hands, keeping them over your head. 1, 2, 3. Lead the lady to crossbody lead. It looks complicated, it's not. You will throw down with your left hand, the other hand, and catch it on 3. Rotate the lady, full turn, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you twist your thumb all the way out so you can put the hand over. 1, let go, 3, progressional turns by 7. Lead in a diagonal way, 1, 2, and 3, so she can take an extra step. 5, 6, just a simple bridge. Adjust the hand on 1, 2, 3. Watch it again, adjusting the hand, going up and holding like a tray, so I can go in. 5, 6, 7. Just a single turn back into our basic. Let's do that with music. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7.